Many users fall a victim of the internet just because of third-party apps access their websites or access their activities on websites. That is why Brave Browser is one of the browsers that I encourage you guys to use. In today's video, I will guide you on how to block third-party cookies on Brave Browser, thereby preventing any third-party apps or third-party website to access a particular website on your device, thereby preventing yourself from any scams online. In less than 30 seconds, you are good to go. Open the Brave browser on your device. Tap this three line at the top of the screen. Then scroll down to the base of this place, click on settings. Once you click on settings, you have yourself at this place, this side at the top here. Click on Shield. Now, once you click on Shield, scroll down until you see this one that says block cookies. By default, it allows all cookies. This allow inter sites. You'll be able to move from one site to the other, and it will allow each of these sites to track your activities. Now, to prevent such from happening, click on this drop down arrow, then click on block third party cookies. And the job of it is that this takes effect immediately you set it. So if you have multiple page or multiple tab open on your browser right away, just go ahead and refresh it so that these settings will take effect, and thereby taking away third party that might be spy on your website, or that might be spy on the browser you are using, or that might be spy on the page you are at right away. Will not be able to access that. How do you feel about that? So if you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Don't forget, like, share, and see you soon guys on our next video.